This is
So you're going to show us around the office and show us the different departments?
Yeah, of course. So this is the cafeteria. This is where we're eating every day. We have this beautiful kitchen with tons of like microwaves and fridge and all that. Some bookshelves. And here you have some really interesting things, such as like all the numbers from Sound and Sound, vinyls from the Beatles, like whatever.
Yeah.
Coffee space. Come here pretty often. And yeah, the building is kind of big. How
many are you?
We are 130, I think.
Wow.
Now.
I mean, today it's quite empty because
yesterday was a bank holiday in France, and because the bank holiday was on a Thursday, and today we are Friday, then people just took a day off.
But it's usually packed. People.
Yeah, there are a lot of people here.
So there's like a conference room here with awards.
Yeah, there are a lot of awards here, like ranging from 2000, I don't know, like, don't know which one is the oldest, but here we have 2000 Keyboard magazine, and we have even older, I think. Yeah, these ones were from some of the oldest Arturia software products.
Oh, that's amazing.
So, yeah. This is the CEO office.
CEO office, right in reach for everybody.
Yeah. This is our sales department. Again, a lot of people in holidays, unfortunately. Other people from sales. Another product management office here.
I mean, this is amazing, having all the instruments.
Yeah. But let's go downstairs. We'll show you around. We have... So here we are in the other side of the building. Gonna try not to be too loud. So this is the after sales. So we have people working here on fixing products. We have a big stock of products as well. This is Joris, who's currently fixing a drum bit.
Yeah.
And yeah, we have tons of spare parts. We're doing most of the after sales internally.
Also all of the merch.
Yeah, some merch here. That will be fine. So, yeah, after sales and support team. So we have people here in France, some other in Mexico. Yeah. To be sure to have like 24 hours of availability for our customer service.
That's amazing.
This is Guillaume.
Hello, nice to meet you.
And then more missing people.
More offices.
Yeah, let's move on. Yeah, some empty offices for the moment. A ton of mess because we just came back from our seminar. This is people working. This is our QA technicians and testing the plugins, the hardware.
That's amazing.
All that. And then restrooms.
Very cool restrooms.
Yeah. More people. This is the audio department right here. So these are the people who are working on the audio interfaces, the next generation and all that.
Oh my God.
This is Robert, who's currently working on probably super interesting stuff. This guy's really fucking talented.
Wow.
Here we have the hardware developers, and here is the open space of the software developers. So people who are working on V collection, FX collection, pigments.
Hi
again. Again, a lot of people working remotely or in vacation. Yeah, we have another studio right here as well. I don't know if you've been in that one. Yeah, these are the Siemens EQs that we've replicated in the Citrol EQ.
Yeah, they're amazing. From the 60s, right?
Yeah. They were used in old consoles, like German consoles.
I love them.
AudioFuse 8 Pre.
It's great that you actually added the visualizer to it.
Yeah.
It makes it like much better.
Yeah,
the AudioFuse.
It's way, yeah. AudioFuse Studio. It's kind of a mess here. I'm sorry about that.
No worries.
Used to be better. Yeah. So this is the big old boy.
Oh my God.
Yamaha CSAT, original one. The first analog 6 voices of polyphony with polyphonic aftertouch.
One of the heaviest and most expensive synthesizers
It is.
in the world.
And there's a way, check this out.
What?
It's fucking crazy inside. There's a way to open it even more, but I don't want to break anything. What's really interesting to see on this synth is that it's all made of wood. There is no metal whatsoever on the chassis.
Wow.
So, yeah, just look at the side of the power supply for this and imagine how warm it can get. The transformer is fucking huge.
Yeah, I mean, if you move this, does it like...
we don't move it, actually.
You don't move it.
Yeah, we had issues with that. Like, I mean, not even us, but everyone who owns CSAT knows that when you move it, you break it. And even we moved it from the big studio to here, and we broke it. Like, this is as simple as that. This is one of the DSP offices. This is the Prophet 5 that we've reproduced in V collection. Yeah, tons of gear. People here are making all the math to make sure that the products that we're making are sounding. They are just magicians to me. They're doing the math to make the product sound good.
Yep.
And yeah, and this is the product management office. I work right here.
Nice.
And the other guys working here are from the audio. Here you have the Minifuse 4 that has been announced and that will be released quite soon. Yeah, this is a working unit. So yeah, and my beautiful guitar that I love a lot.
I love Telly's.
Yeah, Telly Custom 62.
Oh, yes.
Nice one.
Gorgeous, yeah.
Yeah, this is another DSP office. Yeah, again, the mathematicians.
The geniuses, the magicians.
Oh, yeah, this office is quite cool. Unfortunately, no one is present today, but it's the sound design office. So we have 5 sound designers, and they have like individual boxes, and their goal is to make the best presets possible for our instruments and effects, and finding the best presets and the best sounds and everything. We're working quite close to these guys. We have Lily, who is really talented, Jean-Michel, who's been working for the company for more than 10 years, Maxime, Florian, all these guys, Quentin, are just amazing.
Wow.
So yeah, one of the offices, so this is...
So they are like allowed to do
music.
Side projects and stuff and just use the Arturia stuff?
Yeah, of course. So this is another one.
Wow.
And
focal?
Yeah, we're only using focal speaker here. I mean, we are French, so we're trying to use French gear, you know?
Yeah.
So this is the second one, and the third one is Maxime's office. These spaces are temporary. And yeah, this is the third office. Again, it's a bit messy. We just came back from our seminar, but let's turn on the lights.
Oh, the modulars.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, some modules are from...
They have to do modulars in...
No.
No?
No, we're not even remotely thinking about doing that.
Really?
Yeah, there are more brands that are making modulars than people that use them.
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
So, and back to the studio. That is a mess, but...
So do you know how even though you're not involved in the V collection, do you know how the process of sampling goes?
Sampling... Oh, you mean for the augmented things?
No, for this one's like they buy the synth and then how do they replicate it? Do you know how?
Oh, it's not really sampling. It's really math.
Math. So they understand how they worked.
For example, this Mini Moog, it's from the 70s, original one. We got the unit and we spent a lot of time trying them, putting oscilloscopes everywhere on the circuitry and stuff, and doing measurements. And then, thanks to the schematics, we just approximate things to just have mathematical equations that when you get this signal on the input, you get that signal on the output. Right. So we find the right equations, And then we have a lot of things going on with our patented technology, TAE. I can't tell you much more about that, but we're using a very specific process that make these sound really accurate and as close as possible. So we're getting better every year. This is why we've decided to update this year the CSAT and the two prophets. And this is why they are also sounding way, way, way better than the previous ones. But yeah, it's to me, these guys at DSP are just magicians.
Yeah.
It's crazy how close we can get from the original units now. You know, if I take the example of the Korg MS-20, which is right here, and which is one of my favorite synths like of all time.
Yeah. Me too.
The work they've made on this oscillator and filter is just amazing. You have a clavinet here, DSX. You have the sequencer, the original for the Korg, SQ10. Here you have the Melotron, like the good old Melotron. This one, original SEM. It's on US voltage though, so I don't have any transformer. This one is the big boy. And this is the guts of a Melotron. You have all the different like tapes here that are attached. And the way it works is that when you press a key on the keypad, it pushes the tape onto a wheel and it makes it spin.
Yeah.
And you have a playhead right here that reads the tape. So you have, I don't know, like how many keys? Like this is 32 keys. Yeah, it's a little bit old because of these 5. But you have one tape, one head for each single sound.